I have a challenge. It's gonna be emoji. If we saw a emoji like this, we're gonna run like that, bro. Okay. I'ma tell her. I'ma tell her. Hey, dude, stop. You can't eat that. Oh, I forgot my apple at the table. But we opened it. Dude! We opened it like that. You're a bad boy. I have a challenge. What challenge? You see that I turn it to a emoji, so this spam emoji, we're gonna copy it like. We're gonna cringe us out. Dude, it's just. Bro, I wanna make them say it, but you won't because you're so hungry, fatty. I'm not fat, but actually, we slice it up to pieces because we're gonna devour this. Okay, okay lang ako guys. Okay. Wait, we're gonna pause. Dramatic. Stop. Waste of money. No. Y'all feed him. Well, you pick an emoji while I'm feeding his freaking dog. It's your turn. I use my freaking zero. Ganyan mo na yung face. Oh my god, this is so freaking cringe.
Oh my god!
Oh. It's just smiling. I'm cringing yourself out. May ganyan palang emoji. Di parang hinayakap niya sarili niya. Baliw na ka ganun, oh. Oh my god. I need glasses. Oh, there it is. Perfect. I have a glasses already. I just need a beard. There you go. I got some glasses. My beard. My beard. Okay.